a little bit on my neck. We'll do a little bit on the neck area. On the jowls. We'll get the jowls faded up. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you. We are actually back today with day 9. I was trying to count the fingers. I'm like, day 9. I'm running out of fingers. Of March 2018 box week. So really quick, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, box week is the best week every single month on my YouTube channel. The reason why is the 1 week every single month that me and my subscribers spend 7 consecutive days. This month we've spent like 9 days together. We've had a lot of boxes. We open up all my subscription boxes together. We hang out, we comment back and forth, and the Just Like Drew crew. And I want to say this month you guys have been phenomenal with commenting. Like seriously, like you've blown my mind with like your interaction. It has been so fun hanging out with you over the last 9 days. And today we are back with the subscription that has recently gotten really good on my channel, but before this it was like kind of back and forth. It is the Allure Beauty Box subscription. Allure is a $15 a month subscription that is brought to you by the editors of Allure magazine. Lately it has been phenomenal. Like 2 months ago we got an $85 bottle of serum from Sunday Riley, which is like one of the highest rated skincare brands in the like makeup and skin industry right now. And just a reminder before we get into this unboxing, I want to let you know that we are almost pretty much at capacity for our stockpile giveaway box. If you're like, what is that? Basically I've been putting together items for my subscription boxes that I get so many subscriptions, there's no way I could actually use everything. We've only been filling this up. It's only the second month we've been putting items in there and we're almost full. So once it's full, we're going to just wrap it up and give it away to one of my subscribers. So if you're like, how do I win that? You just gotta be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and then once we do the giveaway, I'll say like enter this way, whatever. All right, so we're gonna get into this now. I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna try and use my nails to get the plastic wrap off and see what we got in our Allure box today. Having issues getting plastic off of this box. Wow, nothing's changed. We're still the same struggle that we've always had, is me not being able to open stuff. That's something that's been going on for like a year or two now. All right. So Allure, every time you get a magazine, they have one of these on the top. Inside is going to be information about all the items that we received in our box. I don't check spoilers, so I actually don't know what's in here, so I'm not going to look at that. I may look at it after if I'm like, how do I use this item? I have no idea what I'm doing. All right, so I'm pulling the paper back. The first item that I'm pulling out is Oribe Freestyler Working Hairspray. Okay, that's Oribe. You guys always say Orbe. You tell me how to say it. I never get it right, so I'm going to say Oribe. Orbe, whatever, hairspray. I'm actually going to put this in the giveaway box simply because this is a phenomenal hair care brand, and I want that whoever wins this box to get an opportunity to try this brand because honestly, I love their products. I love the way it smells. I actually kind of want to keep this because I love everything Oribe, and I feel like this is something that like whoever wins this giveaway, they have to try something from this brand. So the first item out of my box is going in the giveaway. There you go. That's how this has kind of been working out recently. It was giving away most of the stuff in the boxes. All right, next item I'm pulling out of here is, it looks like it is a Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Cream Lipstick in the shade Cream. Wait, no, C211. I can't read good today. I don't know what's going on. All right, so I'm pulling this out of here. I'm just gonna look at the color. I don't know if I'm gonna actually swatch or not. Depends on what color it is. Okay, so this lipstick is kind of like a pinky tone. I'm gonna swatch it because I think we already put something this color in the giveaway box, so we don't need to put another one the same shade. Oh my gosh, I accidentally look at this. Oh wait, first of all, I'm not trying to give an inappropriate. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, it matches my nails though. Oh my gosh, you guys, isn't that special? Wow, look at that. Look at God just setting up nail polish and lipstick colors to match. Wow, oh my goodness, special. All right, next item that we have is Water Sleeping Mask from Laneige. Okay, so this is a sleeping mask from Laneige. I actually have some of this, so I'm gonna put this in the giveaway. This is actually a really awesome item. So this is literally like when you go to bed, you wash your face, you put this on, and then you wake up and you rinse it off in the morning, and your skin just like, don't do it all the time because it can like overhydrate your skin. But once in a while, it's just like you wake up and you be like, what's up? You know, I did a little water sleeping mask and I'm feeling myself. So this is gonna be going in the giveaway box. I'm actually really excited. I love overnight masks. So this is going in there. The Oribe is going in there. Yay! Giveaway box is getting full. All right, next item that we have is La Roche-Posay Ultra Light Sunscreen Fluid. Okay, And I'm trying, it's like already kind of open. That's a little bit weird. All right, so this is like a sunscreen fluid. I can't really see it. I'm going to keep this because you guys always get on my case about not wearing enough sunscreen, so I'm going to keep this to kind of like build up my sunscreen collection so I can be on top of it this year once the sun actually does decide to shine in the state of Wisconsin. All right, oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff in here. All right, next we have Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation in Y225. That is really weird. They gave out foundation. Like what's, I don't think they do profiles. Like, how do they know my skin color? I won't lie, I need foundation because I'm running out of the foundation I currently have, but I'm waiting to buy new foundation because I'm waiting for the new Sunday Riley foundation to drop on April 10th. So I'm literally like getting every last drop out of the foundation I currently have. So let's see if this even looks like it's even close to a shade match. If it is, this might get me through the next couple of weeks so I can have my life. All right. You know, actually, I don't really know how that'll look on my actual skin. Like on my, we'll put a little bit on my neck. We'll do a little bit on the neck area. On the jowls. We'll get the jowls faded up. Okay, can you see it? You know, this might work. Hey, that's kind of creepy because I don't think they know what I look like, but I'm not mad at them because I think they just matched me some foundation. Okay, I see you. I see you guys at Allure. What's up, you little creepy wizards? I love it. All right, next we have I Do Liquid Eyeliner. That's where I draw the line from Ico London. It looks like, I'm guessing this is just a black eyeliner, carbon black. All right, I've actually gotten the brand Ico before. I'm gonna keep this because we actually just put in a liquid black eyeliner, I think it was yesterday, in the box. It was the one I think we got in the Sephora Play, the Stila brand. And then finally, the last item we have is Simple Water Boost Hydrating Gel Cream. This is like a full-size product for dehydrated dry skin. Is this Skin Loving Ingredients? Intense hydration does not have to mean greasy or sticky. Simple Water Boost Hydrating Gel Cream, ultra light and refreshing formula works throughout the day, leaving skin smooth and dewy. After cleansing your skin with a Water Boost cleanser, smooth gently on your face and neck using upward, outward movements. So, I'm actually gonna put this in the giveaway. I kind of want to keep it because it looks awesome and it's also a really generous size. But the reason is because I actually have a lot of moisturizer, and when I run out of the moisturizer I'm currently using, I actually had already pre-purchased moisturizer for the next time. I was kind of ahead of the game. So this is going in the giveaway. I actually think our box might be close to full. So I'm gonna recap this box and then I'm gonna put the stuff in the giveaway box and we'll see how full we are. We got the Simple Water Boost Hydrating Gel Cream, which we're putting in the giveaway box. We got the Makeup Forever foundation, which I'm not sure if it'll match my skin, but I might just try and make it work because I really am trying to hold off till April 10th to buy foundation. The Ico London black eyeliner, which I'm excited about that. It's wrapped in plastic, so I'm not opening it. Okay, it's a black eyeliner. I don't need to swatch it. You know, I'm sorry. I'm just not going to go through that drama right now of trying to like swatch something. The Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Cream in C211, which kind of matches my nail polish shade. We got the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask, the Oribe Freestyler Hair Spray, and we got the La Roche-Posay sunscreen. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. Wow, they're seriously turning up the heat for like subscriptions, because most subscriptions you're lucky if you get like 4 to 5 items. They're now giving out 7. This is really awesome. I'm really, really impressed with Allure recently. So this is the giveaway box, and we're gonna put in the moisturizer cream, the Oribe hairspray, and the water mask. And I think we're like almost pretty much full here. This is kind of crazy. I can't believe this box filled up in 2 months. It kind of makes me rethink some of the decisions I've made in my life, but I'm also really excited about it. So that's actually all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way it is down below. If you want to be a part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, make sure you click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we're glitterly the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I'll be back tomorrow to close out March 2018 box week. Don't want to miss it. All right, talk to you guys so stinking soon. Love you. Bye. Goodbye. Bye. You put on your makeup to set it. Can you even see that? Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay. To use it to set your makeup in place and to keep it from getting like icky during the day. So, and it also has SPF 50, so when the warm months come along,